This is a rare opportunity to own a 1-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom, covering an expansive footprint of 1,227 square feet. This Hudson River facing, meticulously designed and executed unit boasts 13-foot ceilings, giving it a loft-like feel. The chef's kitchen is outfitted in Miele appliances and small bone cabinetry, and it opens perfectly to the dining and living room. The master bedroom suite contains an alcove perfect for either a home office, entertainment space, or nursery. The ensuite bathroom has custom marble floors, a soaking tub, glass-enclosed shower, marble slab double vanity, and is decorated with some of Waterworks' finest fixtures. There's also the luxury of a large walk-in California closet. There are beautiful hand-laid oak floors throughout, a central multi-zoned HVAC system, and a washer and dryer in unit. The apartment is beautifully designed with many Danish-inspired pieces. The elegant amenities at Stella Tower provide residences with modern conveniences and ease. There's a 24-hour attended lobby, a fitness center, residence lounge with pantry and bar, a beautiful outdoor garden lounge, bicycle storage room, and temperature-controlled grocery storage. Stella Tower was designed in 1927 by Art Deco architect Ralph Walker, one of New York's most successful and prolific architects. The exterior has retained period glamour, while the interiors have become modernized and beautiful.